Hey, this is Molly from Just a Little Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to use paint to make a faux enamelware look. I found this sign at a thrift store. It was perfect for this project. It had a raised word and raised edges. The first thing I did was paint the whole sign in Rust-Oleum Universal High Gloss Paint and Primer. It was a really glossy look like enamelware has. And just give it a good coat of spray paint. Make sure to cover all the edges really well. Once the spray paint was dry, I used a big Sharpie and I outlined the words and the edges with the black. It was a little bit like a color by number where you just have to color inside the lines, or drew the lines colored inside the lines. This just really highlighted the words, it highlighted the edges, and it gave it the exact enamelware look that I was looking for. The Sharpie itself has a glossy look to it, and so that was perfect for this particular project. If you were doing this same technique on a crock or a vase or something like that, I would definitely suggest Sharpie. The one thing to keep in mind is if you needed to seal the Sharpie, you can't use something like a shellac or something like that. You'd have to use a Mod Podge or something like that over it first, because shellac tends to make the ink run on the Sharpie. The last thing I did was added a few little spots at the bottom of the sign to make it look like old aged enamelware, and that's really it. So next time you're at the thrift store, look for something that you could use this technique on too. Just look for the shape and something you love. It doesn't have to be the color that you want, because you're going to change it anyways. If you love this project and other ones like it and want to connect with other folks like us who like to upcycle thrift store products, I'd love for you to subscribe here and also sign up on the blog for our email newsletter. Thanks, y'all.